What's up everyone? I just got back from an incredible 2-week trip all around Mexico, and my favorite place that I visited was called Oaxaca, and in this video I'm going to tell you why I loved it so much. For starters, I think it's the most beautiful city not only in Mexico, but in all of Latin America. The combination of the colorful buildings, the vibrant markets, the old churches, and the overall peacefulness on the streets give Oaxaca a majestic charm that I haven't found anywhere else. No matter where I went in this cute little town of 200,000 residents, I was greeted with a smile even if people had their masks on. Hospitality in Mexico is extremely underrated, and I always felt very welcomed by the locals.
What happiness?
In terms of food, Oaxaca is known as the gastronomical capital of Mexico.
This lady is selling all grasshoppers.
My favorite dish was called mole.
We're eating mole. It's all over my face in Oaxaca. Stuff is amazing.
A traditional marinade and sauce that comes in all different flavors. I also love this chocolate drink called tejate, which is served in these little traditional cups. Tastes like chocolate milk. But if you want to have a little more fun, then get your hands on the locally made mezcal, a distilled alcoholic beverage made from any type of agave plant. The fields of agave plants go on forever in this part of the country. I absolutely recommend you guys to visit Oaxaca for an experience that you will never forget. If one thing's for sure, the next time I'm heading back down to Mexico, I will definitely be visiting Oaxaca for a second time. There's so many more things to do and experience, and I'm really looking forward to it. That's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. Peace. This is a really good looking tostada.
2 bites. One. Go for the second one. There you go.
It's more that like at the point when you die and you cross to this next plane, you have a spirit animal that accompanies you and guides you. So it's not that he is a horse, it's that a horse is his guiding animal. Tuna! Tuna! Tuna!
I'm Drew Binsky, and if you like my travel videos, please click subscribe and join me as I plan to visit every country in the world.